Hey guys, welcome to Dow Jones Futures Setup Review. I want to briefly go over what I'm looking for today, Monday, November 17th, as well as what we got overnight that would have gave us a position to go long. So, gonna go to the 15-minute chart real quick, and we had a very simple setup here. We had a dip and recovery of this this major level below. Right at the open, we shot down, rejected at the reclaim level. This is a zone that if you reclaim it properly, you'll get a pop. And look at the examples. One pop here, another pop right there, a third pop here, and we got a little bit of an overnight pop that only went for about 6-7 points, but still 3 or 4 longs were potentially set up here. Realistically though, we like to get pullbacks over reclaims. We like when we sell into our major levels and either dip and recover or lose lows and recover them. So initially we had a dip and recovery at this level, and the reason why that it would have been a good trade is clearly the high of this afternoon was about 47.46. So by slowly selling into this level, you're looking at almost 30 plus point sell into this range at least, which is a decent amount. So while I wouldn't be comfortable maybe directly longing this level because we've been selling a lot, a little bit of an undercut and a hold is definitely a potential to go long. I did not take this low just because I wanted more shakeout. However, this was a good dip in recovery and then a little bit of a back test, a couple points above here at 715, which that confirmed for me actually that okay, it was a good long. So I went long after that. So the first step could have been a trap. I was patient, I was not in a rush, but one could have taken this for the points right away. However, because we've been selling a lot, I wanted to confirm, so I waited for the pullback and went long on the pullback. That worked great, level to level, hitting the reclaim level at 10 p.m. That accepted for a little while before popping overnight for more points on the reclaim. So this is a dip in recovery. This is the entry back test. This is a reclaim. 3 different setups right there. Currently, we're selling down back into that dip in recovery, this time from 47.36 for about 20 plus points. The next setup I'm looking for now will be a failed breakdown of this low. That can go as low as this zone before recovering this exact level again. And that will be another long off the same level. If that doesn't work out, I'd be looking at a failed breakdown of this low right here. As I've written right here, that's the Friday low, 46.93. So it would be great if we can tag this and recover. But what Dow Jones likes to do is go right before the low. So if we can get close to it and then recover this zone, I'd be interested in that fail breakdown. The last setup I'm looking for right now, that's A plus, that I know we have in front of us, is the fail breakdown of this low. Again, Dow Jones loves to get as close as possible without losing a low. So maybe we'll get down to this major level before stopping and pushing back up. In that case, I'd probably go long on the recovery of a minor level. Otherwise, if we have new structure, we'll be working with that. So very clear setups here in Dow Jones. Clear lows 1, 2, 3. Those are pretty much the only setups I'll be looking for today, Monday, November 17th.